I'm Andrea Hall, the IT Director at Stonewall Kitchen. We manufacture gourmet specialty foods, have a multi-sales channel environment, and do our own distribution. When we work with Innovia, they focus on the relationship, the process, the quality outcome, and they really are advocates to make sure that we have business success. If you're considering Innovia, I would have a great conversation with them so that you can get to know that they're real people who really understand the work that they do and they really have your business success in mind.